Good morning. My name is Ram Naidu, father of Tejas. My son Tejas studying PP1 in Nerdwall Springboard Academy. Last year I came here in transfer policy. I inquired lot of schools for my children education. I finally found Springboard Academy is the best preschool in Nerdwall and finally joined him. Coming to my son, I have noticed a significant improvement in academics. I am suggesting Springboard Academy is the best preschool for kids in Nerdwall. Here we get best education along with caring. They are conducting cultural activities and maintain hygienic classrooms. Thank you for teachers and caretakers to take care of my child and giving best education. And finally, thanks for Springboard Academy to share my opinion toward my kid and Springboard Academy. Thank you. Thank you.